Hi, this is replacing the 2016 Honda Accord, the transmission filter. All right, it's right underneath the battery, and a lot of people trying to they remove the bracket to get to the filter. All right, just remove that bracket, even though it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts, but the 3 bolt under the bracket is a pain in the neck. Okay, so try not to do that if you could, because I just did it without removing the bracket. Okay, it's just 12mm bolt, 3 of them for this oil filter. Okay, right here, right under this bracket. Okay, battery bracket. Okay, basically you use the 12mm bolt socket and remove it on each corner. Top one, and one, this one is the one you could not see it, and the bottom one too. All right, so basically you just got to measure it for that kind of extension. You can do it, just hand loosen it, 12mm bolt, 3 of them, remove it, and use the pick, pull the filter out. All right, and this is a new filter, replace the O-ring. Okay, this one is on this side. Okay, that's it. This is a shortcut. Most of the people did this job, they remove the bracket. That will take you removing, install more than an hour extra time. These, even though you lose that 12mm bolt, 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. Okay, take it slow. It's only take a few minutes. Once you get to it, you know how to do it. All right, so to install, just reverse. Okay, you see that? A 3, and they use this kind of extension. All right, you add one to the other, measure it. Each one, the length is different because blocked by the bracket. Okay, once you did it, that's it. It's not that difficult. All right, that's how you replace the transmission fluid filter for the Honda Accord 4-liter engine. Okay, thank you for watching.